Alrighty then, Successful Indie Author 5-Minute Focus, episode 746, Protecting Yourself from AI. Here's Stanley. Look at him. Alright, that's a clickbait title. And that everything they're doing is covered under fair use. And I don't know. We'll see what the lawsuits come out with. But in the interim, protect yourself. I'm not sure what we really mean. Somebody asked for this session. So let's understand AI is not artificial intelligence. It's generative. It takes huge amounts of data. As the algorithms and the programming get smarter, they will predict that next word based on context. And some of them are doing that already and doing it pretty well. Generating just here's what word comes often enough next. As far as new words, it has a real hard time with new words because it doesn't do that. It calculates data, so it's not going to be super creative. So it's going to be a medium level of an average kind of thing that it puts out. That can be improved with good prompts. You can make things better, but it's a lot of work. Right now, it is an awful lot of work to get something out of it. But the AI is already trained. And if you put a disclaimer on your copyright page on your book, that means nothing. As a lawyer, that means nothing except for unless you are doing direct sales. Then it's okay. Somebody can't buy it and then use it to train. But it's your publisher and your distributors. They have to have in there that no AI, they can't train AI if that's a concern for you. So there, if you just put it on your copyright page and then you publish your Amazon, guess what? Amazon can use it however they want. And if you're wide, who knows what each retailer uses? You have to check those every single distribution agreement. They're rather robust and lawyer languagey in a way that are almost incomprehensible. Okay. So we got the software will change how they parse the data, but right now we're going to hit probably a max capability on what the software is capable of without some kind of generational change, some kind of programming a difference, giving it a human-like ability to look beyond the data set to find what is best. And until that happens, AI is not going to replace authors. So protecting yourself, write the best book you can. Be ingenious. Be inspired. Write the best book you can in the best way. Sometimes you use pedestrian language. Sometimes the AI will suggest other language. All that's fine. All that is fine because it keeps the reader reading. As long as you are keeping the reader reading, is it bad? But it's strange. It's an ethical issue. Hang on. How did you learn? When you go to college, the professor throws all this stuff at you, mimeographed copies. Remember those days? Mimeographed copies of articles, and you read them, studied them, and you took tests on that stuff. Did the person who wrote that article get paid? Probably not, but you learned from their stuff. Don't be so quick to throw out ethics violations on things. And it's in court right now, so it will get a legal determination. Artwork, derivative versus transformative. What you want is transformative. It takes the artwork and changes it sufficiently that it's unrecognizable from the original form. Otherwise, it's a derivative, and now derivative, you kind of owe the artist. So that's a different thing. And there's more pending lawsuits on that. There's pending lawsuits on the written word. There's pending lawsuits on the artwork. So protect yourself. Let those lawsuits run the course and see what they have. Everything else is speculation. Everything else is speculation. What you think doesn't matter. It's what that judge thinks and whatever happens on appeal. That's what matters. So protect yourself. Write the best book you can. Write great books. And recognize that there's other tools you can use. And that's the Ads for Authors course, which opens in 2 days. the self-publishing formula. As for authors, opens on September 13th, 2023, and they have an AI ads section that's going to be new coming in October. That's how to use AI to help your ads, because AI can do a lot of the stuff. If it's predicting what people are expecting to see, then you're giving people what they expect to see. And it may work out quite well for you. So anyway, there's all different kinds of ways to use the tools available at your command that, I don't know if you want to use them or not. It's up to you. You make your own decisions in your business and move forward. I don't use AI for anything for my writing, but that's my decision. I'm kind of risk averse at this point in my career, so I'll wait until see what the lawsuits show and how the rulings are, and then we'll move forward. Because if we can use certain things, then I will. If it makes my life as an author easier, and I will always be an author first, and writing books, that's what I do. That's what I do first. Peace, fellow humans.